the ability to block Knowledge Musona's experience to not expose us there up front was amazing. And having to block Kama Billiard almost in all minutes he played. And Chirwa in the side of Mudau. Mudau played well on blocking and avoiding him exposing and end up getting the ball inside the box. Was amazing, because those are the most key players that had the potential to hit Bafana. But we played well. And the jersey number 8 in the middle, Mukwena and Yaya played well in middle to close him on finding the spaces and taking the ball in their last third. We managed to do that. And you see the substitute of Obas, when he was introduced in the field, he managed to play well in that midfield as well. So we dominated the game. Almost all the departments were dominant. But it is so hurtful to have the ball, playing it in and around the box, but not end up hitting them, finding the target. That is so painful. Because from the beginning, you saw the team that deserves to win because of how we played. It was not that much impressive because we were playing more the long balls. Most of the time in the first half, the players were far apart from each other. And the departments that were playing and getting the ball inside the box was the side of Apolis and the side of Ngota. Because we were finding them sideways and they will try and come inside and find Foster and Bull there so that they can find the target. Coming in on the second half, I didn't understand why Ngota was substituted, because he played well. He had a beautiful moments that would see that Lunga was a little bit struggling on how to defend and avoid and block Ngota in that side. So